Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use Calendly in 2023. So without further ado, let's get started. So simply open Calendly and you will see an interface like this after you sign up or log in. So what you need to do is you will need to create an event like kind of meeting. So you can create new event from here if you want. You can schedule your events from here. It will show you upcoming events and pending and past events that you have done according to the date range. So we will just simply start with making a new event type. Okay, so as you can see, there are four interesting options here. It's the most used option is one-on-one, where you can chat with a person, with a single person. You can have an interview, and the second option is for group. If you are a teacher or if you take webinars, you can choose this option of group, and or you can choose the collective option if it is for more number of hosts. If Okay, if you have more hosts, you can choose collective option. It is good for panel interview, group sales call, etc. Or you can choose round robin. Okay, so what we will do is we will simply click on this one-on-one option here. It is the most option. Okay, so you can type the event name here. I'm going to type just random event. You can type the event name here. You can add location from here. This is the important part. If it is an in-person meeting, simply just click on this option and then you need to set an address or place later on. And if it's through a phone call, you need to click on this, or if it's through a web conference, you need to click on Google Meet option here. Or if you want to do it through Zoom, it is a web conference, click on it. And there are several other options here, or you can just click on custom if you want to leave customized location details. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on Google Meet. You can put the description here or instructions that you want for the people to follow. Okay, I'm just gonna type a random description. You have to type it clearly so that the people you are inviting knows what the meeting is for. And you can change the event link from here. You can type anything from here. Okay, and from here you can choose the event color. I'm just going to choose this one. Advice from me is that you should choose a different color from other event types. Okay, so click on next. It is saved. Now it is asking how do you want to offer your availability for this event type. You can either use your existing schedule, or you can set custom hours. Okay, so I will come to that point and I will show you how you can edit your schedule. I'm just going to simply click on it for now. Okay, so it is showing my schedule, and it's asking one to add time before or after your events. It is an important part here. You can add time before your event, like if you want to prepare, you can add 1 hour before your event, or you can add just 10 minutes before. Okay, you can also click on additional rules. There are some interesting options in the additional rules. I don't know why the Calendly developers put it here. They should have put it on the main page. Okay, so this is an option called start time increments. It will set the frequency of available time slots for invitee. So you can choose the frequency from here. You can choose custom frequency. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And from here you can choose the minimum amount of notice that is required and how many events are allowed per day. So this is a quite interesting option. You can choose that when your invite is can't schedule within certain hours or minutes or days. Okay, I will choose 24 hours. Maximum allowed events per day. If you want to have a certain limit, you can type it here, 7. I'm just going to leave it as it is, so it is unlimited. Okay, this is also an important option. If you are meeting in person, you should click on the log the time zone option, or you can just leave it automatically detect and show the time in my invitees time zone. You can also select this option if you want to only invite the people who you have shared the Calendly link with. So I'm just going to click on next. And now you can add some invitee questions from here. You can make them write their name, email. It is mandatory for them to write. You can also add here if you want to add some questions. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now we will come to the workflow part. So click on workflow and you can add a workflow from here. Okay. So you can add a new workflow from here. So as you can see, this is kind of notifications that Calendly will give to your invitees. So it will remind them through email to the host, or you can send email reminder to the invitee. You can send thank you email. You can choose any of them from here. But remember, it will be free for certain period of time, this particular workflow option. After that, you will need to pay. Okay, you can choose any of the option from here. I'm just going to simply click on this one. Workflow name, you can change the workflow name from here. You can choose the event type. We have just made this one my random event. So I'm just going to select it. And you need to click on apply. It's important. And when this happens, you can click on edit. You can customize how long before event starts. You can choose the day, hours and minutes. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And it will do this. It will send the email to the host. So you just need to click on save. And that's how you have also set up notifications on Calendly. Now you can click on availability and you can set your availability to show at which time and which day you are available. Now I will show you the schedule that I was going to show. Now as you can see here, you need to just scroll down, and as you can see, it is showing me a week's data from here. You can change the time from here. You can delete it. You can choose the availability, and you can also disable the day that you are not going to work. Most of the days people just disable the Sunday. You can also change time from here, like it has 15 minutes option, but you can also customize it and put like random numbers that you want to put. So I'm just going to select 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. You can also delete this, or you can also add another time here if you want. All right. So it will be automatically saved, and you can choose the event type that you want to be active. So I have select all of them, and you can also select the time zone from here. And you can also integrate other softwares from here. Like if you want to integrate Calendly for Chrome, you can simply click on it, or for iPhone app, or for any other software. It has the best software available for integration, like LinkedIn, Google Meet, Google Calendar. Most people use Google Calendar with Calendly. So you can also just click on it. You can also link with PayPal. There are many software that are available from here. So that's the most basic tutorial for Calendly. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.